So everyone lately has been hungry. Now, I don't know if they're hungry for new shoes or they're hungry for snacks, which these shoes right here, Jordan 6 Oreos, make me hungry for some snacks. So, all right, so starting off with the shoe, we will notice we have yet another Jordan face box, man. I mean, there's been like 50 of these things. Like, if y'all actually, I want someone to go in the comments down below, count up how many Jordan face box releases we've had, man. It's been so many. It's been more than I can count. But yes, as we see there, we have the Jordan face box on there. So we have that black paper right there, the black wax paper. Different from your typical white paper, which we will still have, as you can see right there on the shoe. You see right there in the box, have the black paper. So have the shoe, man. Got the shoe. Now this shoe is gonna be a all over majority white shoe, you know, with the shades of black. You got the black inside. Then we have the speckle, which sort of throws the Oreo theme. You have that speckle right there, sort of like paint splatter speckle, similar to something we see on like the Cement 4s. You have that paint speckle-ish details right there. So you can see right there, comes with white laces, which I think would be interesting. Some people are saying they go black. I think personally, you know, I go with white. Y'all let me know what y'all would go with. You have the black lace locks. So I think white definitely helps the black lace lock stand out. You can see right there, you got the Jumpman logo on the front emblem. You see, as he pushes down, you see this shoe is a leather shoe. It's got some nice leather. It didn't really crease or anything from the looks. You can see there, we've got that translucent blue midsole that's gonna go on to the outsole. As you can see there with the paint speckles splatter prints. Then we have the Jordan Air on the back. Have the black Jumpman logo with the white Air, and then up top we have the sort of ring, the pull tab thing. You will have that paint splatter detail with the white across the thing, sort of looking like an angel or halo. As you can see there on the outsole, you're gonna have that black Jumpman logo with the translucent hits on the outsole. So it's not a fully translucent outsole, but it is some areas of translucent. So expect that to get 30. And you have the white. I think black instead of the translucent would be a nice touch though. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Jordan 6 Oreos. Y'all comment down below your opinions down below, and let me know if you're excited for this shoe to release, which is coming this August. I'll have all the price information and the details so you can know when the shoe drops. I'll catch y'all in the next one.